just a couple days away from our EMOTO Saloon pop-up and activation right here at our flagship store on Water Street. And I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into more behind the brand and talk about how we're creating the majority of this Lost collection right here in Tampa Bay. So this is our first limited drop, limited quantities. So we're having a pop-up bar, we're gonna have an oyster pop-up, flowers. We have a slider post up now that has the schedule for April 26th and 27th. But let's jump in quickly to a little bit more behind the manufacturing, screen printing, and all of that that's being done right here in Tampa Bay. So a couple months ago, I decided to acquire an embroidery machine and wanted to bring some of our embroidery in-house. I think I've second-guessed that idea a handful of times, but fortunately, through lots of trial and error, we've got everything figured out, and this is one of my favorites from the collection. This is the EMOTO rope design, and the entire Lost collection was also designed here in Tampa Bay by Pepper Alley Design Studio. But this is about 30 minutes of embroidery for the back of the garment, and then we have 20s on the front of the garment here. We're using Wrangler as our base for all of our denim. It's obviously tried and true since 1947. But yeah, this garment takes about an hour of embroidery time here locally, but we're very happy with the overall aesthetic. We hope you are as well. Let's jump next into, this is our EMOTO Rodeo tee. So this is all screen printed by our screen printing partner over in Clearwater here in Tampa Bay. We've sourced the blanks from, like I said, Wrangler, a handful of other companies throughout the US. We have our tag here that states designed and made in Tampa Bay. And then we have the Rodeo team crest in the back. Josh did a phenomenal job with this over at Pepper Alley, and we're really happy with it. So lastly, I wanted to dive into, I think this is my favorite out of all the hats. I don't know, it's pretty close between the Osprey hat that we're dropping. This is a heat pressed Osprey patch, and we also have our Lost embroidered across the front of this camo hat. We've got the orange to go along with the idea behind camo and hunting. And then every single one of our hats is pressed with a Lost alligator. So it's our alligator holding a horseshoe here. But really it's all been about the details and this whole Lost collection. I really hope that you guys can see the same level of design and little details that we've put into this entire thing. And I invite you to stop by the 26th and 27th, this Saturday and Sunday. We'll be taking over the entire Spaces EMOTO Saloon. We'll have the brand new Lost collection and a bunch of local vendors that you can come experience their retail activation. So look forward to seeing you guys and appreciate you listening into Behind the Brand.